Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we're drawing magical Peppa Pig dressed as a fairy princess. Let's start with Peppa's round face, nice and big. Now her piggy nose with two little nostrils, and a big smiley mouth. Don't forget her pink cheeks. So cute! On top, let's draw her crown, tall and pointy, just like a real princess. Now, her body with two little arms. In one hand she's holding a magic wand. Add her tiny legs and curly piggy tail, oink ank. Finally, give her rounded fairy wings, like fluffy clouds. Perfect! Now let's color. Peppa's face is pink, with light pink cheeks and nose. Her dress is bright red. Her wings are soft blue. Her crown is golden yellow with purple stones. And her magic wand has a shiny purple jewel too. And ta-da! Our Peppa Pig fairy is ready to wave her wand and spread magic.